guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be emphasizing the fact that Vienhar.com is a scam. This is their website. To go there, you have to go to Vienhar.com. Vienhar talks about they actually claiming to be an investment company or a grant giving company, that they claim they've gotten lots of endorsements and investments from foreigners, and they are out there to help Nigerians become financially free, to help small scale businesses, and that's why they exist according to them. If you visit the site, they claim to give support via different platforms using their mentorship and SME financing programs, but all these are scam. I have actually registered on the platform and I followed them back to back till the very end. So what they do is, once you fill the form, they will contact you and tell you they have some funds for you. If you check Naira land, you would see that some persons are also confirming the fact that this guy is a scam. You would see lots of reports, and someone even said they are not even from SchoolSat. That SchoolSat is just like the rebranding from SchoolSat to Vienhar after they had stolen people's money. And how much are they even requesting? How much are they stealing? Just 1,000 naira. They do what they call hyping using Flutterwave. When you pay through Flutterwave to them. So if you want to get them arrested, I think the best way is to contact Flutterwave and get their data, because whatever money they get from Flutterwave, they get it to their bank account. This was when I registered. You see, that means someone was responding to each of the forms. Here is your registration. They give you an ID, of which whatever you are doing on the platform is done through their back end. And if you look at it so well, they generate ID for you, they do everything, and you think it's all a good platform. You even submit your business idea. They claim they are going to reward you with 10,000 naira first, then 50,000 naira later, and they ask you to pay 1,000 naira for hyping, and that the fund will go to charity. All is a scam, and that is why there is this run from them. So guys, if you are joining this platform for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can get more updates and reviews. Thanks for watching once again. See you next time, and bye for now.